Hi, I just bought a brand new Xbox 360 Slim from Future Shop. Connect ready, 250 gigabyte hard drive, and I'm gonna be unboxing it. Let's open this up. Alright, and here we go. About to open it up, jump in. So basically, we got some manuals over here, just some guides. Okay. Just it's a little stuff here, very soft. Basically we're gonna get to that later on. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. Alright, comes with a headset over here. Yeah, wired headset. Really nice. And the Xbox 360 controller itself. See, it's a newer design. I'm very comfortable. Like before, this part used to be, the knobs here used to be a gray. Now it's black, and a nice finish over here. It's really beautiful design. And basically, here are the standard AV cables. But I got myself a HDMI cable. And here's the power cords, And then here is the AC adapter, Probably know what that is. The power brick, I mean. Basically, Microsoft, they actually made this a lot smaller, a bit, a different design of it. So it's supposed to be a bit better than the older version, as far as they're concerned about it. Yep, and that's pretty much it. And basically, now I'm gonna, open this up here, the 360. Just put this back in the box. And basically, it's Connect ready, really nice, really nice packaging how they made it. Just nicely open that. And here we go. So basically, here it is. It's a lot. There are different design here. This is here, and then that's like really nice how the line goes here. Just beautiful. And it's sensor buttons here. You just go like that, and it turns on or off, or ejects the disc thing. And basically, over here at the back, I can tell you a bit about how it is. This is the power cable, HDMI, and this is the AV, but if you got HDMI, that's good enough. Internet cable, but you obviously wouldn't need that because you have built-in Wi-Fi. And you got 3 USB ports here in the back. And this port here is a special USB designed only for Connect. So that's pretty good. And then this one here, I believe it may be for if you have like a surround sound system, you plug it in there, and that's how you can use it for, So it's pretty good, And actually, there's no hard drive sticking out. As you can see, it's built in. So basically, the hard drive is actually hidden right over here. You see this right there? See how it just opens up, and basically there's just like a little thing here. You can just pull on it, and it supposed to come right out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Kind of a little hard to pull it out, but besides the point, it's a really nice console, you know, just awesome. And I also got myself the Xbox Live bundle package here. So basically, it's really nice. Basically, what it includes is, it includes 12 months of Xbox Live. Yeah, 12 months of Xbox Live. It includes the keypad that plugs onto the front of the Xbox 360 controller, and a wireless headset, and also Project Gotham 4. So it's $80 to buy at Future Shop. You know, so it's really nice. I actually know a guy who gave it to me for a really nice deal, but you know, it's really awesome. It's a really nice console to start off. I'd recommend if if you want to buy the PS3 or the Xbox 360, I'd fully recommend to get the 360 because of Kinect coming out. It's supposed to be really good. Yeah, but that's pretty much the video. You know, well, it was nice being here. Thank you for watching my video.